What's up guys, welcome back to Bake It Better. In this episode of Date Night Desserts, we are going to tackle an incredibly easy to make and wonderfully versatile dessert, the Panna Cotta. Panna Cotta is Italian for cooked cream. Now I hate using this similarity, but it is essentially Milk Jello, which sounds horrendous I know, but trust me, this dessert is so beautifully smooth and creamy it just melts in your mouth. But enough gushing about it, let's get baking. So first, we'll pour a small amount of our milk onto our gelatin powder. We'll give it a good mix to ensure all of the gelatin is hydrated. Next, we can add the rest of our milk, the sugar, and our heavy cream into our pot over medium heat. We'll give it a mix and leave it to come up to a simmer. Once the mixture is simmering, we can take it off of the heat. You should pour it into a large measuring jug just to make portioning easier. Once the mixture has cooled down below 60 degrees Celsius, we can add in our gelatin, followed by our vanilla. Give it a good mix to fully combine those ingredients. Onto a flat pan, we'll place our ramekins, into which we'll fill with our panna cotta mixture. We'll carefully transfer this to our fridge to fully set. Once the panna cottas have set, we can run our paring knife around the outside to help remove it from the ramekin. Dunk the ramekin into some hot water to help release it from the mold. Remove it from the water and flip it over into a bowl. Slowly lift the ramekin up and the panna cotta will fall out. Next, I'm going to take some of our salted caramel sauce and drizzle it over top the panna cotta. Then, for some color, I'll add in some cut up raspberries. As well as some blueberries. And here it is guys, the delightful panna cotta. Vanilla is just the basic flavor, but you can do so much with this dessert. Add in some honey and mascarpone and make a much richer flavor, or whisk in some raspberry puree to get a more tart flavor. The possibilities are truly endless. As always, you can find a copy of my recipe in the description below. Thank you all for watching. I'll meet you back here in my kitchen for the next episode. I'll see you then.